Come join the Black Canadians for cultural, educational, and economic progress on Friday the 23rd, Saturday the 24th, and Sunday the 25th for an immersive weekend of African heritage. This virtual event will include drumming, fashion shows, interesting facts about Africa and the African diaspora, a headwrap tying demonstration, and an opportunity to dance with us. Learn how to prepare iconic meals like jollof rice and couscous and order them from local African restaurants, including our very own Sakoni on Walker Road. BCCEEP will enhance the experience with online ordering and free delivery. The following countries will be featured during the course of the event: Sudan, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Burundi, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Uganda, Angola, Cameroon, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Once you register for a free ticket, you will receive the Zoom link for the event. It will also be streamed live on our Facebook page, and we hope to see you there.